Hello, my friends. Good evening. Welcome to my channel, Belagali's classes. Belagali's classes. Yes. In the morning video, in the previous, yes, we have done just reminded the derivatives of what? Algebraic functions, trigonometric functions, and these two mentioned because these two have not done at the PUC 1 level, 11th standard, not done these two done. Now, what about algebraic functions? The mainly derivative of constant 0, derivative of x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1, derivative of 1 upon x to the power n, that xn is denominator. In this case it is minus n upon x to the power n plus 1, and derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x, even you know the derivative of x is 1, and derivative of kx is k, with k I have shown derivative of k into x to the power n, kn, you have to multiply what? Power with coefficient of x to the power n, 1 powerless, k upon x to the power n minus kn, again multiplication, but sign changes, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus kn upon x to the power n plus 1. My friends, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This comes under algebraic functions. Next, d by dx of trigonometric functions. Trigonometric means there are six. Derivative of sine, cos x, cos minus sine x, tan sec square x, cot minus cosec square x, sec x into tan x, cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. My friends, in this case, I told one thing to take care. What is that? Derivative of a trigonometric function that starts with letter C, what they are? Derivative of cos, cot, cosec. These three have negative sign. With the derivative, they have negative sign, minus. The remaining three, sine, tan, sec, they are positive, plus. Then man, I have done last that seventh one. If the angle x is other than x, for example, derivative of sine ax, you know it, my friends, the derivative of sine is cos. This angle you have to write as it is. But what is the angle? It is other than x. Other than x means it is into a. Like that, the remaining. My friends, next comes exponential. These two. Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. Derivative of a to the power x into log of the base, log a into log a. E to the power x, my friends, here it is x, other than x. As it is, you write e to the power x. If the power is other than x, write its coefficient a, or derivative of ax is what? A. Derivative of ax is a, by kx is k, that constant, ax is a, that constant. Then derivative of log x to the base e, 1 by x. Then it is log x to the base a, along with 1 by x, you have to write what? Log e to the base a, it is base a. Yes, my friends. Remember, these are two with exponential, another two with logarithmic functions. Yes, my friends, these are what? Derivatives of these functions. Yes, ma'am. The next comes, my friends, derivatives of algebraic functions. Algebra means once again what? Addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication of two functions, derivatives of Quotient means a division of two functions. Once again, my friends, all these things in detail you have done last year in PUC first year. PUC first year you have done it. Then, my friend, first one, derivative of Ku. What about U, V, W? They are the functions of x. And what about K? K is a constant. K is a constant. Then 1. Derivative of Ku. What is that K? What is speciality? It is a constant and coefficient to the function. It is weight function, not separate. Weight function. In that case, the derivative is that K can be taken outside the derivative sign into derivative of U with respect to x. Ku, K into du by dx. It is, my friends, addition, subtraction. Derivative of addition, U plus V, derivative of the first plus derivative of the second minus derivative of third, dw by dx, du by dx, dv by dx, minus dw by dx. What it tells, my friends, while writing the derivative of sum, that plus difference, that difference. Yes. My friends, making use of what? Derivatives of all these four functions. Making use of these two, I do some examples based on this. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. Find dy by dx of the following. Following. Yes, my friend. It is first one. It is d by dx of 2 sin x. D by dx of 2 sin x. Yes, my friend. What is this 2? 2 being coefficient constant remains into derivative of sin x. That 2 is out into derivative of sin x. Right, friend, it is 2 into. What is derivative of sin x is cos x. You must have, my friends, sin is cos. Second, d by dx of 2 plus cos x. 2 plus cos x. Yes, friend. Sum is sum. It is what? Derivative of 2 with respect to x. Plus is plus. Derivative of second function is cos x. Cos x with respect to x. Tell friend, what is this? Constant. What is the derivative of constant? 0 plus. What is the derivative of cos? Minus sin phi. C, letter C. If you simplify, my friend, plus with minus is minus sin x. See the difference, my friends, I have done purposely. What is the position of 2 here? Independent. It is not a coefficient of any function. But what about 2 here? It is a coefficient of a function, but it is independent. When it is alone, constant is alone, its derivative is 0. When a constant is with some function, it remains. Remember, my friend, alone, separate, only constant, derivative is 0. If the constant is with some function x, some function of x, then that 2 remains. Remember, my friend. Next one. D by dx of, my friends would write like this. This d by dx is nothing but it is a differential operator. Therefore, you would write like this. D by dx of it is x cube plus tan x. Yes, correct. Sum is there. It is derivative of x cube with respect to x plus derivative of tan x. With respect to x. Right, friend. Derivative of x cube. X to the power n into x to the power 1 less. 3 minus 1 means 2 plus. What is the derivative of tan x? Sec square x. Yes, friend. Next. D by dx of 5 minus 3 cos 3x plus 2 log x. When the base is not written, understood, my friends, base is E. Right, separate. This is d by dx of first number 5. Plus is plus, minus is minus. What about this 3? 3 is not alone, it is weak function. When it is weak function, that 3 remains. Comes outside k. D by dx of cos 3x. Plus 2 with a function remains 2. D by dx of log x. D by dx of log x. Then you write the derivative. Tell my friend, constant alone. Minus 3 into, what is derivative of cos? Minus sine. Write as it is 3x. My friends, while writing, what is the question? Is it x? No. When the answer is no, I told write the coefficient. Coefficient of x is 3, or derivative of 3x, my friends. What is the derivative of 3x? 3x is 3, 5. Derivative of kx, my friends, derivative of kx we have done in the previous video is what, my friend? K. Derivative of kx is k. Yes. Derivative of what is this, my friend? 3x is 3. 3x is 3. Yes. Then coming to this plus 2. Derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. If you simplify this, 0. Minus of minus is plus. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9 sine 3x. Plus 2 into 1 by x is 2 by x after simplification, my friends. Simplification. Just we are practicing what? Derivatives of different functions. Derivatives of different functions with this. We are practicing this formula. Ku, what is it? U plus V minus W. Just we are practicing this. Tell my friend. Next one. D by dx of. Next one, d by dx of. Next one, d by dx of 27 sec x minus 5 cosec x plus tan x upon 2 plus 2 into e to the power 3x plus 6, my friend, plus 6. Derivative of 27 sec x minus 5 cosec x plus tan x by 2 plus 2 into e to the power 3x plus 6. Yes, friend. First you have to write 27 being along with a function coefficient constant remains as it is into derivative of sec x. Sec x with respect to x minus, my friend, 5k with function remains. With function remains alone 0. Cosec x plus, here your constant is what, my friend? 1 by 2. Derivative of tan x plus 2. Derivative of e to the power 3x with respect to x plus derivative of a constant 6 with respect to x. With respect to x. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. Right, equal to. This is 27 into, I use bracket. Sec x, what is the derivative of sec x? Sec x into tan x. Sec x into tan x minus 5. What is derivative of cosec? C means negative. Minus cosec into cot. minus cosec into cot x. Yes, friend. Plus 1 by 2 into what is the derivative of tan sec square x plus 2 into what is derivative of e to the power. I told in case of exponentials, write as it is. Question: is it x or other than x? Other than x means write its coefficient, or derivative of 3x is 3 because kx is k, plus what is the derivative of 6 being a constant 0. 6 being a constant 0 equal to, if you want to simplify, yes, it is 27 sec x into tan x. Minus of minus plus 5 cosec into cot. This is half sec square x. 2 into 3 is plus 6 e to the power 3x. That is 0. That is 0. Yes, my friends. So, first I have applied that rule. Plus is plus, minus is minus. If any constant coefficient k is there, you take that k outside. Yes, my friends. I do another one or two based on this, my friends. Yes. Find dy by dx if y equal to. Find dy by dx if y equal to. I hope this is copied. This is copied. Yes, my friend. Next one. Find dy by dx if y equal to. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y equal to. Yes, friend. It is 3x cubed algebraic function full minus 5x plus 7 plus 7. Yes. Find dy by dx if y equal to this. Y equal to this. Yes, ma'am. The previous examples I've written in detail. Now you can write it quick. So, my friend, dy by dx equal to kn. Kn is what? Multiplication. What is 3 into 3? 9. 9, 1 powerless. Minus derivative of 5x. Derivative of 5x is what? 5. Pi tell. Kx is k, 5x is 5. What about this, my friend? Constant 0. What is the answer then? It is 9x square minus 5 is the derivative of this. Direct we can write like this. Next one, y equal to. Y equal to. This is 6 x to the power 6 plus 6 upon x to the power 6 minus 5 upon x to the power 4 plus it is x upon 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Yes, you wanted dy by dx. I write like this, man. Differentiate dy by dx equal to it is d by dx of all these terms, functions. It is dy by dx of this 6 x to the power 6 plus 6 upon x to the power 6 minus 5 upon x to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 into x or x by 4, everything, plus 1 by 3. My friends, just a reminder, what is the derivative of x to the power n? What is the derivative of x to the power n? This is the derivative of k into x to the power n with respect to x, or k into n, you have to multiply both, x to the power 1 less, my friends. What is second? Derivative of k upon x to the power n. This is in the numerator, this is in the denominator. Denominator means sign changes, plus becomes minus. Once again, product k into n, product of these two. Denominator, when it is in the denominator, always it is 1 more, plus 1. Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. Apply it. Apply it. Equal to. First one, 6 into 6, 36, 1 powerless. Sign changes. Yes. Again 6 into 6, 36. When it is in the denominator, 1 power more. Sign change. Why? Function is in the denominator. Sign changes means it becomes plus. Once again, kn, multiplication. It is 20. Down is what? 1 power more. Plus 1 by 4 into derivative of x is 1, kx is k, plus 1 by 3 being a constant. What is the derivative, my friend? 0. And this is how we have to practice the functions. So one more I do, another one or two, I give it as what? To you itself. Yes. Y equal to, y equal to, y equal to, I hope it is clear. I used these two, k into x to the power n, k upon x to the power n, k into x to the power n, kn multiplication. 36, 1 power less. Derivative of this, down. Down means sign changes, minus. Once again, multiplication, 36. When it is in the denominator, 1 power more, n plus 1. 6 plus 1, down. Sign change, plus. Multiplication, 20. X to the power 1 more. Down is 1 more, up is 1 less. Kx, what is k? 1 by 4. 1 by 3 being a constant, let's take a picture. This is the derivative of what? This y, my friends, my friends. Next is, find dy by dx. If y equal to a to the power x plus x to the power a plus a to the power a to the power a. Yes, friends, dy by dx is derivative of the first. I write one step more, man. Yes. Plus is plus. What is it? Derivative of x to the power a with respect to x plus derivative of a to the power a with respect to x. With respect to x. Yes, my friends. Tell. What is this? A to the power x, direct formula. A to the power x by exponential into, it is not e, right? It's log. Yes, my friend. What is this? Down is x. X to the power n. Instead of n, you have a, n into x to the power 1 less a minus 1 plus. Constant, entire thing is constant, the derivative of constant is 0. This is the answer for this. Yes, my friends. Just at home, you try these 1 or 2 examples. DIY, do it yourself. 1. Y equal to log x to the base 10. You know, log x to the base a. 1 by x into log e to the base a minus sec x by 2 plus 1 by x. If you want, I can write this also. Yes, my friend. Dy by dx is what? Derivative of log x to the base 10 with respect to x minus What is this? D by dx of, it is sec x by 2 plus derivative of 1 by x. 1 by x with respect to x. Log means first you have to write 1 by x. Yes, into. What about the base? Other than e, then you have to write what? Log e to the base 10 in the previous formula a minus sec x by 2 into tan x by 2. Tell my friend, into. What is the coefficient of x? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x. What is k? 1 by 2. What is the derivative of kx? Kx. What is k? 1 by 2. That you must write here. What about this? Down. Denominator means sign changes. Minus. This one with this one, my friend. 1 into 1 is 1. Denominator means 1 more. X to the power 1 plus 1 x square. This is the answer for this. Derivative, my friends. Yes, these two you do. Y equal to e to the power 3x. Y equal to e to the power 3x plus 3 upon e to the power 3x minus 3 to the power x minus 3 tan 3x plus 5 log x. I have not written the base. When the base is not written, understood, it is e. Just my friend, I tell e to the power 3x into power is not x, right? It's derivative. 3x is 3. If we lift this to the numerator, it becomes what? Minus e to the power 3x. We must write this as what? 3 into lifting minus 3x. Yes, friend, 3 into e to the power minus 3x into minus 3. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 it becomes. Yes. A to the power x. What is a to the power x? A to the power x into log a. It is 3 to the power x. What is 3 to the power x? 3 to the power x into log 3. Minus 3 into derivative of tan sec square. As it is, you have to write 3x. It is not x. It is other than x. Write its coefficient or derivative. 3. 5 into what is derivative of log x? 1 by x. Right, friends. Yes, my friends. These are some examples, my friends, based on these two formula. Derivative of ku, derivative of sum and difference. I have done some examples based on this. What next then? Next is done with sum and difference. Next is with product. And now some verifications I give in case of what? Product, my friends. Product. Yes. Next, examples based on product formula. Examples based on product formula. Product formula I write here. Examples based on product formula. Yes, it is derivative of. It is understood. U is one function, P is another function with respect to x. Product formula. This is known as product formula. Now I do examples based on this product formula. Yes, my friend, equal to. There are two. You have to keep the first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. Yes, my friend. Yes, yes. This is the formula. This is the formula. See, what is it? Derivative of product of two functions. Product of two. First function, second function. In such cases, keep the first function as it is into derivative of this plus interchange. Keep the second function as it is into derivative of first. First as it is, derivative of second, plus second as it is into derivative of first. Yes, my friends. Some verifications based on this. Find dy by dx of the following, otherwise first I do like this. Find d by dx of x square into sin x. X square into sin x. X square into sin x. Yes, my friend. Is it a product? Yes. X square is one function. Sin x is another function. Whatever formula says equal to first function as it is into derivative of sin x with respect to x plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. Yes, man, better to write this rule as it is, apply this rule and write. Anyway, for the main exam, board exam, sufficient time. Okay. No hurry. It is what? X square into, what is the derivative of sin? Cos x plus sin x into derivative of the x square is what? 2x. 2 into 1 powerless. Okay. Enough. Next one. Find d by dx of it is e to the power x into cos 2x. E to the power x into cos 2x. Right, friend. Same. First function as it is into derivative of cos 2x with respect to x plus cos 2x into derivative of it is first function e to the power x. My friends, applied what? This product first derivative of second plus second derivative of first. Same thing is applied here. See, product of two functions. First as it is, derivative of second plus second as it is, derivative of first. That formula is written. Then you have to write its derivatives. Yes. Friend, this equal to e to the power x into c sign change sin 2x. Tell my friend, is it x? No. It is other than x. If it is other than x, write its derivative. Kx is k, 2x is 2. Otherwise, you have to remember, write the coefficient. Plus, this is clear. Plus, use brackets, man. Cos 2x into, what is the derivative of e to the power x? It is e to the power x only. If you want to simplify this, my friend, e to the power x, you take what? E to the power x common. Yes. Minus 2 sin 2x plus cos 2x. This is after taking e to the power x common. Yes, my friend. This is second example. If you want one more, find d by dx of x square plus 1 into tan x, my friend. It is first function, this is second function. Tell my friend. Tell. Again same formula. First function as it is, derivative of second, and interchange them. Interchange them. Yes, friend. Equal to first function as it is, x squared plus 1 into a derivative of tan x with respect to x plus tan x into derivative of x squared plus 1 with respect to x. Next is write their derivatives, that's all, equal to it is x squared plus 1. What is the derivative of tan sec square? Sec square x, tell what is the angle x? What is the derivative of x? 1, or coefficient of x is 1. As it is 1, we are not going to write. If it is other than x, you have to write. As it is 1, no need to write. Plus tan x into x square is 2x plus 1 constant 0. If you want to simplify, no need that at the most we can write this is 2x plus 0 means 2x. That's all. Yes, friend. One more. Y equal to it is x plus cos x into x minus sin x. X minus sin x. Tell same thing. Dy by dx. Y, it is dy by dx. First function as it is into derivative of second. Second is x minus sin x. Yes, plus this x minus sin x as it is into derivative of x plus cos x. X plus cos x. Slightly bigger, that's all. Yes, my friend. Tell. It is as it is x plus cos x. Again use bracket. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is cos x. Yes, plus you write as it is x minus sin x into second bracket. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of cos is minus sine. This is 1 minus sin x. If you want, you can simplify it. Anyway, these examples they give under what? 1 mark, at the most 2 mark. If you write this formula, they give 1. If you write their derivatives, they give second. Unless and until show that dy by dx equal to certain things, at that time you have to simplify this. Otherwise, no need. Last man, I do some 2 or 3 very simple examples, but they look what? Big. Tell. Y equal to, tell my friend, it is tan x into cot x. Tan x into cot x. Even the friend will give, if y equal to tan x into cot x, then show that dy by dx equal to 0. Show that dy by dx equal to 0. So it is a 1 mark question. See, my friend, if you go with your product formula, tan x into derivative of cot x into derivative of tan, it goes lengthy. But you know the fact, trigonometric ratios, my friends. What is this? Tan x into what is cot? 1 by tan. Cot is 1 by tan. Friend, tan cancels with tan. You get it equal to what? Y is 1. Y is 1. Y is 1 means a constant. What is its derivative? Therefore, y is 1. So derivative is derivative of 1 being a constant 0, direct. 2 steps, man. In this case, no need to apply what? Product formula. No need. Why? We can use your brain. What is that? Cortex. What is cortex? 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x. When it is 1 by tan x, tan cancels with tan gives 1. Being a constant, its derivative 0, my friends, 0. Like that, you do this. You do this. DIY. Y equal, it is sine 3x into cosec 3x. Cosec 3x. What is cosec? 1 by sine, cancellation. It is y equal to sec px into cos px. Instead of 3 to they make it 3. Same thing. Sec is 1 by cos, cancellation 1. Derivative is 0. Derivative is 0. This is one question appeared when long back. Something it is so many years, more than 10 years back this question, but even now, still it is what? 7 to the power x into x to the power 7. My friends, this example given under what? 4 more questions. The students were lucky, but many students not done. Why? 7. Okay. Allergy. All this, my friends. In this case, you have to make use what? Product formula. Yes, differentiate product formula. Dy by dx is first function as it is. Derivative of second function with respect to x plus x to the power 7 into derivative of 7 to the power x with respect to x. Yes, that formula is applied, my friends. Formula is applied. Okay. What next? Tell. 7 to the power x. This is 7 to the power x. Use bracket. What is this? X to the power n. N into x to the power n minus 1 powerless. Plus. X to the power 7. Tell what is it? Derivative of a to the power x, my friends. Tell what is the derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x into other than e means you have to write its log a here. 7 to the power x as it is into what is your a? 7. It is log 7. Finished, my friends. Many students were wrong in writing its derivative. And another things I do not know. So simple, they confused. Many students done what? This example wrong. See, this is the question. Is it clear? Yes. My friends, if you wanted simplification, only that simplification is x to the power 6 is common. X to the power 6 is common, write the rest. Otherwise, you keep it as it is because just 1 mark questions, no, not earlier like what? 4 mark questions, no, 4 mark questions, just 1 or 2 mark. Yes, my friends, this example, do at home. Y equal to x to the power a into e to the power x. Instead of 7, it is a. Last one is y equal to, I give e to the power x into a to the power x. Power is said. We can make use what? Formula. Which formula? Product formula. First function into derivative of second function into derivative of first. Otherwise, you may simplify this. It becomes what? E into a to the power x. Tell my friends, 5 Laws of indices. A to the power n into b to the power n is ab to the power n. ab to the power n. Now you can make use of this formula. What is that? A to the power x as it is into log of this base. Log of this base. What is the difference here? Instead of a, you have ea, right? What is there? dy by dx equal to ea to the power x as it is into log of the base. What is that base? ea into base e. Base is not written means base is a. This equal to, my friend, e to the power x into a to the power x. This ea to the power x, once again log of indices, ab to the power n, a to the power n, b to the power n, e to the power x, e to the power x. Simplify this, my friend. This is into ea log e to the base e. This. It is a product, my friend. Product is sum plus log a to the base e. Which base? This. Product is sum equal to e to the power x into e to the power x. Yes, my friend. Tell. Log e to the base e. Both are same. 1 plus it is log a to the base e. Such examples, man. Local test, you mean college test. They may give. Otherwise, you have to go for what? Product formula. Otherwise, this, my friend. Yes. Tell, everything done. These are some examples based on product formula. And there is one more product. That another product is when the function is a product of three functions. Sometimes, man, you must know the formula at least. You must know the formula. And one sample example I do. That formula is. I write here, my friend. This is a derivative of u into v into w. There are three functions, my friends. Here, only two. There, instead of 2, 3. Yes, instead of 2, 3. What is the formula? You have to keep what? First function and second function as it is. Write the derivative of third function. First two as it is, derivative of third, plus first and the last as it is, derivative of middle, plus last two as it is, these two, v into w, derivative of first function u with respect to x. Yes, my friend. This is when more than 2, 3 only. 2 derivative of third, first and third derivative of middle, last 2 derivative of first. This is the formula. Now, if you want just one example, my friends, just one example. Yes. Find dy by dx. If y equal to, my friend, it is e to the power x log x into cot x into cot x. 3, 1, 2, 3. Same above formula. Differentiate dy by dx. First function as it is into second function as it is. My friend, I use bracket. Derivative of third, cot x. Plus first and third. Derivative of middle, second, log x. It is log x to the base e, my friends, when the base is not round. Next, last two as it is. Last two means log x into cot x into derivative of e to the power x with respect to x. Yes, friend. Yes, friend. Write their derivatives. Their derivatives. Yes. This is e to the power x into log x. Derivative of cot A is minus cos x square plus e to the power x into cot x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into cot x. Derivative e to the power x itself. Yes, my friends, in such cases, don't try, don't go for what? Simplification. Write it as it is because they come under what? Just 1 mark, 2 mark questions. Simplification leads another 2 mark question. Don't. Yes, my friends. This is with UVW. Yes, my friend. This much is enough with this video. I have done 1 minute. Just last minute I will just repeat what I have done. My friends, just reminded derivative of all these 4 types of the functions: algebraic, trigonometric, exponential, whatever. Then I have done first derivative of what? K into u, algebra of functions, K into u. Next, y is u plus v minus w, derivative of some difference. Then I have done some examples based on derivative of product. Comes under what? Product formula, evergreen, always useful formula, UV. I have done. And this is one man, a special UVW. There are 3 product of 3 functions. This is the formula. 1. If you wanted one example, just practice. 3i y equal to, this is my friend, x to the power 10 into e to the power x into sin x. You can just do one verification. Then, friends, you may put one question. Sir, if the product is more than 3, like U, V, W, Z, if it is more than 3, when 3 itself, you can take log. That logarithm property converts the product into sum. Even you can do examples on this UV by taking the help of what? Log. Y equal to UV. You can take log to both sides. Log y is what? Log of the product. It is UV. What is it? Log of the first plus log of the second. I do at the end examples on this method. We are not going to use product formula at that time. What we use? Logarithmic properties. They come under what? Logarithmic differentiation. Yes, my friends. Therefore, if it is more than 3, we take log. Even if it is 3, we take log. Okay, anyway, they are simple, but sometimes we use this formula they give. In that case, the log becomes lengthy. In such case, this method becomes simple. You must know this method also. Because of that reason, this formula is just given, and one verification is done, another verification here. Yes, my friend. With this, enough with this video. In the next, I go for what? Quotient formula, U by V. After that, the heart of calculus. Heart of calculus is what? Differentiation of composite functions, my friend. Very important. Composite functions. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes.